Good morning, students. Welcome back to the English class. Today, we are going to learn the lesson about Unit 3, lesson Jack and the Beanstalk, written by Stephen Kellogg. The characters are the narrator, Jack, Jack's mother, old man, and the giant. Now, before going to the lesson, students, shall we see about the author? Yes. Author Stephen Kellogg. Stephen Kellogg was born on October 26, 1941 in Norwalk, Connecticut, America. He is an American author and illustrator who has created more than 100 children's books. On November 12, 2011, Kellogg was given an honorary Doctor of Human Letters from the University of Findlay in Ohio. As a very young child, he spent many hours in drawing and writing. Stephen is a very devoted animal lover and he has always enjoyed putting animals in his books. He died at the age of 79. Now, students, shall we go to the lesson? Now, we'll see the lesson. Before going to the lesson, first I will tell you we will see the introduction of the lesson. Then you will understand. Okay, students? Now, Jack and the Beanstalk. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Jack who lived with his mother. They were very poor. One day, Jack's mother asked him to sell their cow in the market. Jack took the cow for selling it. On the way, he met an old man. The old man was willing to buy the cow. He offered 5 magic beans in exchange for the cow. He also told Jack that the magic beans would make him rich. So Jack took the magic beans home. When Jack arrived home without any money, his mother was very angry at his foolishness and she threw away the magic beans away through the window. During the night, the magic beans grew into a very big beanstalk. Jack was surprised to see the beanstalk reach the sky high. Jack climbed it to its top and found a giant was living in a huge castle and found everything to be rich big there. The giant ate 5 sheep for a meal and had a hen that laid a golden egg every day. Jack felt that he and his mother would become rich if they had the hen. So Jack waited for the giant to fall asleep and quickly picked up the hen that laid golden eggs. But the hen made a noise. The giant woke up. He smelled the blood of a human. He chased Jack. Jack ran back to the beanstalk and climbed down quickly. When he reached the bottom, he went to his mother to ask for an axe. Jack chopped the huge beanstalk on which the giant had also climbed to catch Jack. When the beanstalk fell, the giants also fell down to the ground and died. And seeing this, the mother was surprised. Jack took the hen home and it laid a golden eggs every day. Jack and his mother became rich and lived happily. Okay, students, now you have heard about the story. Now, shall we go to the lesson? Take your book, students. We will just look at the book and we will understand the lesson. Now, scene 1, at home. Narrator. Once upon a time, there was a boy called Jack. He lived in a small cottage with his mother. Jack and his mother were very poor. All they had was a cow. Mother, Jack, we don't have any money, so I think we have to sell the cow. Jack, okay, mom, I will take the cow to the market. Mother, be careful, Jack. Narrator, on the way to the market, Jack met a little old man. Old man, good morning, young boy. Where are you taking that cow? Jack, I am taking it to the market, sir. My mother and I are poor, so we need some money. Old man, I would like to buy the cow from you. Jack, really? Old man, I don't have money. Instead, I'll give you 5 magic beans. Jack, magic beans? Old man, they will make you rich. Narrator, Jack had to think about it. He wanted to make his mother happy. Jack, okay, you can take the cow. Narrator, Jack ran all the way home. He was so excited to tell his mother about the old man and the magic beans. Jack, running home. Mom, 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 look what I have got. Mother, did you get a good price for the cow? Jack, no, mom, but I got these magic beans instead. Mother, angry. What? Oh, you foolish boy. Jack, mom, they will make us rich. Trust me. Mother, no way. These beans are useless. Narrator, Jack's mother was very angry and threw the beans across out of the window. Now, students, we shall see the scene 2 on the ground in the castle. Narrator, during the night, the magic beans grew into a huge beanstalk. By morning, the beanstalk reached high into the sky. Jack was so surprised. Jack, wow, this beanstalk is huge. Narrator, Jack climbed and climbed, and when he reached the top, he found a huge castle. Jack, oh my, there is a castle in the sky. I can't believe this. Narrator, Jack crept inside. Jack, whispering to himself, everything is so big in here. Who lives in this big castle? Narrator, suddenly the floor began to shake. Jack, scared. What is that noise? Giant, shouting, fee, fee, fo, foom. I smell the blood of an Englishman. Be ye alive or be ye dead, I'll grind his bones to make my bread. Jack, whispering, oh no, it's a giant. What can I do? Is there any place to hide? Oh, there is a place. Narrator, Jack hid in a cupboard and watched as the giant ate 5 sheep for his meal. Then he called for his hen. Giant, lay me a golden egg. Narrator, Jack watched in amazement as the hen laid a perfect golden egg. Jack, it's amazing. I wish I had that hen. Then Mom and I would be rich. Now, scene 3 in the castle at home. Castle is a very big place. Narrator, as soon as the giant was full, he felt fast asleep. Jack, now he is asleep. I will take the hen and climb back down the beanstalk. Narrator, Jack quickly picked up the giant's hen, but the hen began to squawk and flap its wings. Jack, shh, be quiet. The giant might wake up. Narrator, the giant woke up. Giant, shouting, Fee, fee, foo, foom. I smell the blood of a human. Jack running. Oh no, time to go. Narrator. Jack ran back to the beanstalk and climbed down as fast as he could. Giant yelling, I'll get you. Narrator. Jack reached the bottom of the beanstalk. Mother. Jack, where have you been? Why do you have a hen? Jack. Mom, hurry. Give me an axe. Mother. Here you are. What are you going to do with an axe? Jack. I have to chop this beanstalk down right now. Narrator. With his axe, Jack chopped down the beanstalk. Giant. Ha! Narrator. The giant fell the ground with a thud. That was the end of him. Mother. Oh my! It's a giant, Jack. What is going on? Jack. The magic beans grew into this huge beanstalk. So I climbed to the top and found the giant's castle. I watched this hen lay a perfect golden egg. Mother. Are you telling me the truth, Jack? Jack smilingly. Yes, Mom. You'll see. Narrator. Jack was right. The hen laid a golden egg every day, and Jack and his mother were never poor again. So, students, I hope that you would understood the lesson. Thank you, students.